Hello students, we will start our fifth video of physics class 9. Okay, so in the previous video we have solved exercise 1. So today we will move to unit 2. Okay, that is our estimation by the orders of magnitude. Okay, our topic is estimation by the orders of magnitude Okay, this will be large and small. Fine. So estimation of orders of magnitude. Okay, so you have to remember that any numbers, any number, it may be big or small, any number can be written as the product of a number between 1 and 10. Okay, we can say 10. One and 10, and a number which is power of 10. Okay, so what we have learned, any number can be written as the product of a number between 1 and 10. Any number can be written as a product of a number between 1 and 10, and the another number will be a number which is a power of 10. Okay, so let us take one example, that is the diameter of sun. Okay, diameter of sun is 1390000 this meter. So this is a very huge number. Okay, so how we write this as a product of two number, and one number will be between 0 and one number will be in between 0 and 10. Okay, and another will be the powers of 10. So what we do, so you can see the number, non-zero number is 139. So but we need to write it a number in between 1 and 10. Okay, so what we will do, so this number does not has any decimal. So what we will do, as it does not have decimal, that means it have decimal in the last digit. So this is the decimal. So we need to fix this decimal or bring this decimal in between here, in between 1 and 3. Then only this if we bring this decimal here, that is 1.39, then this is the number in between 1 and 10. But if you think that I will put the decimal after 3, that is 13.9, so this number is greater than 10, but we need to write this number as a product of a number between 1 and 10. The number should be in between 1 and 10, but 13.9 does not belongs to 1 to 10. So if the decimal is in between here 1.39, then this belongs to 1 to 10. But again, if you think that if I put the decimal here, then it is a number which is greater than 0, but it does not lie between 1 to 10. So what we have to do, we have to bring the decimal which is in the last, we have to bring this decimal here. So how many digits it will move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how we can write 1.39 into how many decimal it have moved? It have moved 9 decimal place. That means 10 to the power 9 meter. So in this way we have to write it. Okay. So according to the definition, any number is that 139000000. No decimal is here. So okay. So so can be written as the product of a number between 1 and 10. That number is our 1.39. This is the number which is in between 1 and 10, and another number which is a power of 10. So this is the number which is the power of 10, 10 power 9. So any number can be written as a number between 1 and 10 and a number which is a power of 10. Okay. So here also we have two parts, that is 1.39 and 10 to the power 9. Okay. So in the next slide we can say that here 1.39, this number is the numeral value. Okay, is the numeral value, and numeral value between 1 and 10, and the power of 10, that is 10 to the power 9, is the exponential part. The number between 1 and 10 is called the numeral value, and the power of 10 is called the exponential part. Okay, you have to remember this. So we can give another definition, that is order of magnitude. Order of magnitude. So if we see the definition, the exponential part, this exponential part is called the order of magnitude. Okay, the exponential part of a particular measurement is called order of magnitude of a quantity. Okay, so this exponential part, that is 10 to the power 9, this is called the magnitude of a quantity, or sorry, not magnitude, order of magnitude of a quantity. Okay, so the order of magnitude of diameter of sun, so order of the diameter of sun was 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 meter. So order of magnitude will be 10 to the power 9. So we can say that is example, okay, order of magnitude of diameter of sun is 10 to the power 9 meter. Okay. Similarly, you can see another one example, that is the diameter of hydrogen. Okay, so if you see the smallest one, okay, if you see the diameter, which is the second example, diameter of hydrogen atom. Diameter of hydrogen atom is 0.000000000, comma 106 meter. So how we can write this? We have to write any number between 1 and 10 into powers of 10. So any number between 1 and 10, that is, first you have to write the non-zero numbers, that is last digit is 106. So where we have to put the decimal? We have to put the decimal in between 1 and 06. But if you put in between 0 and 6, this number will be greater than 10. But we need to write the number between 1 and 10. Okay, so we have to put the decimal in between 1 and 0. So this will be 1.06. Now where the decimal have gone? Up to how many decimal place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it have moved 10 decimal place, but it had moved towards the left. So if it moves towards the left, then power will be negative. But if it moves towards the if it moves towards the right, then it will be negative, and if the decimal move towards the left, it will be positive. As in case our previous case, here the decimal have moved towards the left, that's why power is positive. Okay, but here the decimal have moved towards the right, so power will be negative. So this will be written as 1.06 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, so here order of magnitude will be 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, again there are some notes. The first note is power number for index rounded to nearest whole number and is equal to the order of the magnitude. That is, when power number is less than 0.5. Okay, when power number is less than 0.5, then order of magnitude is 0. Then order of magnitude is 0. And the second case is when power number is greater than 0.5, then order of magnitude is next whole number. Okay, I know everything have known what is whole number, the number which starts from 0. Okay, whole number. Fine. So you need to go through the page number 5. Okay, you need to write that page number 5, the table. Okay, so multiples, prefix and symbol. Multiple, prefix and symbol. So you need to remember this. Prefix and symbol, that is 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power 9 is called giga. Then symbol is capital G. Similarly, 10 to the power 6 is called mega, and it is represented as capital M. Similarly, 10 to the power 3 is kilo. So you need to complete this. Okay, so you complete this, then in the next video we will cover the degree of accuracy. Okay, fine. Thank you.